Hey guys, it's Garrett with Parts View, back for another Basics of Boating video. Today we're going to talk about the boater safety checklist. We're going to start with life jackets. Of course, every boat that's on the water has to have at least one life jacket that's accountable for every person on the boat. You can either have a type 1, which is more geared towards being offshore. You got reflector tape on it. It's gonna keep your head above the water no matter what. A type 2, similar to type 1, it's a little more comfortable to wear. Then there's a type 3 life jacket, really popular with water sports and things like that. Now here's a type 4. This is more of a throwable cushion. You at least have to have one of these in every boat. And then type 5, which is what I'm wearing here. This is an inflatable life jacket. The next item every boater must carry on board is, of course, the type B fire extinguisher. Also, you want a light distress signal. Something like flares will work. Just make sure that you read the back and make sure they're not expired, because they do go bad over time. Another item needed is a sound producing device, such as a blowhorn like this, a horn in the boat, or something like that. A backfire flame arrestor. One Coast Guard approved device on each carburetor of all gasoline powered engines built after August of 1980, except outboard mowers. Also a ventilation system. This is a Coast Guard standard system required on all gasoline powered vessels with enclosed engine compartments built after August of 1980. Now vessels longer than 16 foot will additionally need one type 4 throwable PFD. They will also need a minimum of a 3-day use and 3-night use, or 3-day and night combination of pyrotechnic devices. Non-pyrotechnic substitutes could be one orange distress flag for day use and one electric SOS signal light for night use. Pyrotechnic signals must have a manufacture date within 42 months of the current date. Vessels that have installed toilet facilities must have an operable Coast Guard certified type 1, 2, or 3 marine sanitation device, subject to local laws. Vessels that are longer than 26 foot and under 40 foot will specifically need one B2 or 2 B1 fire extinguishers. They will also need a 5x8 inch oil discharge placard and a 4x9 inch waste discharge placard. It's very strongly recommended that you keep a first aid kit on board at all times. It's never a bad idea to exceed safety requirements when you're out on the water. There are a number of life-saving products being developed all the time. Here are a couple of our favorites.